What it do, nigga? Yours truly, Super Day. Check the fuck in. I want you to check this out right quick. Some real Serato shit. You know what I'm talking about? We on the turntables right now. Represent for that nigga go by the name Yayo. Nigga, what's up? Represent for that nigga go by the name Yayo. Nigga, what's up? Yayo. Give it to me. Yo, we gonna put that shit live on the radio this weekend, making sure we rep for them niggas trying to get it in, okay? Yayo. Everything for the money, man. We fucking with that shit right now. You know what I'm talking about? Mactown 478. Turn your radio on to powermaking.com. Shit's gonna be playing over the weekend. We getting it in for the weekend weeks right now. You know what I'm talking about? Let's do it. Let's turn up. Yo, what up, nigga? Follow me, niggas. At Super1. SOOPAONE. You know what I'm talking about? We getting it in. Everything about that money, dog. Yo, I'm fucking with you on this shit. Let's do it.
It's Yayo when I'm back up on the scene with a couple racks, couple stacks, busting out the Robin jeans. I know them hate, so I'm like hustling, grinding, get it, ready by any means. If it's necessary, I got that work, that lit, Caribbean, baby. I'm like the tooth fairy. I get that tooth out. We get that work in, we get that work out. Hey, y'all know what I'm talking about. Boy, they always straight drop in my mouth. When you're broke, ain't nobody with you, but soon as the bread gets back. The money is love. Rest in peace, a little smaller nigga. And it's